The new vertical panel saws from Holz-Her combine proven engineering from over 50 years of experience with an extremely stable, solid design, offering you fabulous value for the money. Professional cutting technology has never been so space-saving. With the floor space requirement starting at 5 square meters, the vertical panel saw saves you valuable space and money. By comparison, a sliding table saw requires at least 35 square meters of free space to cut a full sheet. Moreover, the vertical panel saw also offers the advantage that it can be mounted directly on the wall. The Cut 1254 is available in 2 frame versions with a cutting length of 4,300 millimeters and cutting height of 1,900 or 2,200 millimeters. The Cut 1255 manual and the 1260 automatic version are available with cutting lengths of 3,300 to 6,300 millimeters. The cutting heights are between 1,900 and 2,200 millimeters, depending on the requirements and space available, thus covering all standard sheet sizes. The cutting depth is up to 60 millimeters. The vertical panel saw allows one-man operation from panel storage to precisely finished cut. The panel carriage ensures gentle transportation of the panels to the saw. A foot pedal makes it extremely simple to position large panels and lower them to the desired position. The horizontal cut can be adjusted on a dimension scale. First, the panel is trimmed and the sewing unit is locked in the desired position by a brake to guarantee rigidity and repeatable accuracy. Horizontal cuts can be completed with absolute confidence. Programming cams make it easy to preset recurring dimensions precisely. It is then no longer necessary to make adjustments on the dimension scale for this purpose. An automatic shift frame prevents sawing into the support strips, moving the support grate automatically as required. A compressed air connection is not necessary, saving you connection and maintenance costs. The cut strips are placed on a transport carriage. The saw beam is then locked at the top and bottom in the desired position for the vertical cut. The sewing unit is perfectly balanced by counterweights, allowing it to be moved easily to the vertical cut. The center workpiece support, which is installed as a standard feature and can be folded out easily, offers stability for vertical cuts. In addition to quick and simple handling, Holz-Her panel saws offer exceptional precision with smooth cut edges, without cut offset for optimum gluing quality when next phase machining. Naturally, all Holz-Her panel saws satisfy the stringent TRK requirements. Thanks to their effective clear path extraction system, the quantity of respiratory dust remains within the prescribed value of 2 milligrams per cubic meter of air. The self-supporting frame is your guarantee for maximum precision and long life of your Holz-Her panel saw. The spectrum of application for Holz-Her panel saws can be extended as required with genuine Holz-Her accessories. These include a strip stop, which provides for automatic calculation of the saw blade thickness for recurring horizontal cuts. The patented Holz-Her Supercut scoring system operates with 2 scoring blades to score laminated panels, ensuring tear-free edge quality right down to 1/10 of a millimeter. To illustrate the principle, here you see the cut with and without supercut. High-precision digital displays ensure simple and precise adjustment to your cutting dimensions. An additional longitudinal stop in the lower area of the machine allows vertical cuts here, for example, on heavy countertops, without having to lift them up to the middle support strip. Moreover, the narrow section supports prevent narrow work from tipping. A variable speed control is also available for plastics and special materials. This prevents melting while cutting and ensures effective evacuation of the plastic chips. We will also be pleased to recommend optimum saw blades for your material. The automatic version, the CUT 1260, is also available for even more efficient handling. In addition to all features on the manual CUT 1255 machine, the CUT 1260 automatic also automatically completes a plunge cut, saws the material, and returns to the operator at the touch of a button. This ensures precision work with optimum cycle times. And if you want to cut more, we also offer the right equipment, from heavy-duty pressure beam saws all the way to intelligent cutting centers with automatic panel storage.